Hi, everyone. What you're about to hear comes from years of experience working directly with customers and solving real world problems in our workshop. The first thing we check in the workshop is the bean container. Jura recommends cleaning it with a soft, dry cloth because coffee beans can leave behind an oily residue that affects operation. Then use roasted coffee beans without additives, since certain types of beans can cause problems for the grinder. Now, just because the container is full doesn't mean the beans are actually reaching the grinder. Some customers describe exactly this situation. The machine tries to grind, but eventually displays fill bean container because it's barely receiving any coffee. At that point, it's worth checking whether the beans are flowing freely and whether there's any buildup. The type of coffee matters too. Very dark, oily beans can leave residue and make it harder for the beans to pass through. If you're using this type of coffee, we'd try a less oily blend before assuming there's a mechanical problem. On the other hand, listen to the grinder. If it's running but producing very little ground coffee, there could be a blockage. And if it makes an unusual or much louder noise than normal, Joule recommends contacting technical service, as there could be a foreign object or an internal failure. Another detail is the grind setting. A setting that's too fine can contribute to blockages. So if the problem started after changing this adjustment, it's worth checking.